An abandoned park.
Look, this train has delivered the scrap, buddy. That's a lot.
We can finish by this afternoon if we start right now.
Great, the first batch of wheel scrap has been crushed. Let's proceed with the next batch quickly. What? More scrap again? How tired. I wish we had an automatic machine to work.
I'll fix this Ferris wheel to transport all that metal waste.
That sounds nice. Let's do this, buddy.
How to build the Ferris wheel. Step 1. Build the wheel. First, I'll build the central hub. This is the central part attached to the main rotating axle, where the spinning force is transferred to the entire wheel. Next, I'll add the spokes to expand the wheel. Once the spokes are in place, it's time to attach these curved pieces to build the inner rim. I'll do the same on the other side to complete the inner rim. Finally, I'll connect the spokes to these larger curved parts to form the outer rim. Step 2. Build the support leg. Now, let's connect the wheel to the support legs. It seems like our wheel still can't spin a full circle on its own. I'll build a special mechanism using a motor and chain links, so the wheel can spin automatically. The chain links. Step 3. Build the cabin. I'll add the safety barrier around the cabin so no one falls off. Now add the roof so passengers don't get sunburned or rained on. Now add the cabins to the wheel. The Ferris wheel is all set. Test the durability. I will test the resistance of the cabin to strong winds. Great, the Ferris wheel spins so smoothly.
You sure this wheel can lift the scrap?
Don't worry, let's try it.
Wow, it's so great.
I still have another trick. Done. Now, the scrap will be automatically carried up by the Ferris wheel. Then slide down a chute into the crushing machine. See? It's much less strenuous now.
Great, I can finally rest my hands. Look, another batch of scrap is coming. Let's have the Ferris wheel handle it.
Unbelievable. The whole park is all clean. How did you two do this? Thank you for cleaning up my whole park. I'll give you two this model citizens trophy.
Hot news. 2 citizens have turned the scrapyard into a green park.
This place is really perfect for us to hang out. Oh shoot, it's really late. We gotta go now. See you guys later.
Bye.
Oh man, why is there so much trash? I gotta clean all this up right now. Space Sweeper is here. Let's sweep all the trash away now. All right, let's start with this pile first. Wow, that was quick.
How to build the space garage truck. 1. Build the ship base. On this base, I'll add a lever mechanism to push trash from the intake into the storage. 2. Build the trash sweeper. The ship uses these 2 soft pads to sweep trash inside. Chain links. Add the motor and battery box. Rear thrusters. The wheel. The front pads will sweep trash inward, and then the lever will push it into storage. Trash chamber. The chamber will spin and drop waste into this compartment. Now let's add the cockpit for the pilot. The Space Garage truck is done. Testing with plastic beads.
Let's move to the next trash pile. All right, just a few more to clean. The trash chamber is full. I should head back to the station. Let's release all the garbage. Wow, the ship collected a lot of trash. Hooray, the planet looks clean again.
Oh my God, look at this disaster.
It's awful. We've got to deal with this mess.
What should we do with all of this?
I've got a great idea for this. We should make the most of everything here. Let's start by working on the machine frame.
How to build the mechanical crab scraper.
Step 1. Build the truck body. I have assembled 2 identical parts. The legs. The battery box. The motors. The tray. Step 2. Build the conveyor belts. The tread links. The first conveyor belt is done. I will build the second conveyor belt. The tread links. The second conveyor belt is done. Step 3. Connect all components. Connect to the battery box.
All right, the chassis is finished.
Perfect, let's fire it up.
Great, let's keep moving.
Time to clean up, mate. Let's get to it.
Amazing! The city is finally spotless!
Look at that! The water has turned blue again! I can't believe it!
Yahoo! Wow!
For a green, clean, and beautiful Lego city, hooray!
Whoa!